Hey, I'm Johnny with upfitsupply.com, and today we are checking out these rear cargo security screens by Holman. Now these are made for both the mid and the high roof. We have them on our mid roof transit right now. They come in that gray powder coat finish that you know about Holman products. Now these are great for two reasons. One of which, of course, is security. Keeps would-be thieves from breaking out your windows and being able to get into your vehicle. Also safety and security, to keep your glass panels from getting broken by shifting cargo inside, or let's say you didn't realize you had left a tool in the way and you went to shut the door. Instead of the tool busting through the glass, it's going to hit this screen and keep your glass protected. These Holman screens come with all the hardware you need to install. All these mounting points right around here. All you're doing is using self-tapping screws just to zip right into the vehicle and keeps it nice and secure. The rear Holman screens are sold as a pair, so you get both the driver and passenger side windows to install. There are also options for the side sliding door that are available as well. Now you can find products like these Holman screens on upfitsupply.com.